Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change currency on Temu application. To change your currency on Temu using the Temu mobile application, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, tap open the Temu app from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed in to your account as well. After you are logged into the account, from the main homepage, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Once you get to this page, tap on the gear button at the upper right corner and this will open up the settings interface. Tap on currency and then select the currency available on the screen. If there are multiple currencies available, go ahead and choose one. And once it is done, you will be able to change your currency within the Temu application using your mobile device. The currency option might vary depending upon your area that you're located in. So if you have multiple options for currencies, you can select one to change your currency within the app. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.